my video of my Halloween costume, how I became Rarity. There was a lot of work into it. It may not seem like it, but it was. Planned for the whole month of October to get this stuff. I mean, I bought the headband, I did the makeup, I dyed my hair, you can't tell, but I did, and that will be another video too of the experience of spray dyeing my hair. Anyway, but I went through the whole process. So, first and foremost, I have a doll. This is the doll. I got it a while back because this is my pony. If anyone's watched this character, she's perfect. She loves to wear jewelry, likes to match her outfit. Her hair is a gems and like she likes to be, she's a fashionista and a designer on the little show. And of course I love fashion and style, and I have my moments, you can't tell, but I do love fashion and style. Anyway, and I got this for Christmas. My cousins gave this to me a while back, and yes, I'm a grown-ass adult, but I love my little pony. You have to love My Little Pony. If you don't, get out of here. Anyway, I have this doll. So in my head, I thought Rarity had purple shoes. No, Rarity doesn't have purple shoes. That just shows what kind of fan I am. She's a white pony with no shoes. But in my head, I thought she had purple. So I bought, looking for purple shoes. There wasn't any. So I was like, I'll make my own. And I did. I bought some white tennis shoes. I think they were like 10, 15 bucks. And I spray painted them. And I bought two different kinds of spray paint. One that was like purple glitter, and then one with just pure glitter. And yeah, spray painted those shoes. Then I got ribbon to make my shoelaces, and I should give you another video of how to make those shoelaces because ribbon doesn't just go through the hole. No. You need to create a little nice thin tip for it to go through the holes. So that might be another video. But anyway, I had to spray paint my shoes, make my shoelaces for the shoes. Mind you, white shiny shoes would have been fine. Didn't know that. Then I had to look for my outfit. Mind you, finding white pants after Labor Day is very difficult, and they should have been on sale, and they weren't. But anyway, found my white pants, got some white t-shirts, and then I got some silver iron-on paper. I got some silver iron-on paper to make the little diamonds on her booty, because you can see she has diamonds on her little booty. So I cut out diamonds and put them on the front part of the pocket, and I put diamonds on the back, on the booty part, the blue jean back pocket. And that took a while, but it was worth it. Then I got a metallic belt because I'm the type of person who doesn't like to see jeans without a belt, especially if your shirt's tucked in. Like, you better have a belt. So I bought a metallic belt. Then I had to go get the headband. And I got this one, which was perfect because she likes sparkle. And then I went to Claire's and got so much makeup and the jewels. And then, then you had to make your tail. Now, I noticed when I went into the costume Halloween stores that a lot of them had the little silver part, and they just had ribbon at the bottom of the silver attachment. They did not have the color I needed, so I made my own. So I went to Joann's to get the silver piece, and then I got my ribbon, and I got it. Now I will say the only mistake I made is that, yes, my tail is beautiful, by the way, but it had so much glitter. So having glitter on white pants, maybe not the best idea, but it was still beautiful. But I made my tail to match Rarity's tail, right? Ooh, Rarity's tail. And I dyed my hair purple. Now, she has long hair, but I wasn't willing to buy a wig that I'm just gonna use once. I'd rather just spray and wash it off. That's my deal. And then, of course, bought makeup. And I bought a lot of purple makeup before October because I had a feeling they were gonna be sold out. And then I bought glitter. Can't tell, but I do. Can you tell? I put eyeliner, glitter, plus more glitter, plus shades of purple. Yeah, I went crazy. At least I did. Some people were like, that's tame. Go away. Anyway, so I did my face, I did my hair, got this, got the white shirt. Oh, and then I wore a little bedazzled necklace because she likes sparkle. Why not wear sparkle? But then, yeah, it took a lot of work to be Rarity. You wouldn't think so, but finding white pants were difficult. Metallic belt, well, that was a plus. The makeup, doing makeup, this took me like a good 30 minutes to make. You couldn't tell because it's the end of the day, but it took me a while. then just the placement alone, I have a video of the placement. That took me a while because I didn't, like, it was supposed to go up here, but like, it made me look like I had no eyebrow. I don't know, it was weird. But putting the placement was an issue, but it looks good there. Dyeing my hair for the first time with the spray, that was different. And then putting the whole outfit together. I think the shoes took the most work, which is funny because she doesn't even have purple shoes. But she does now. She likes to accessorize. Oh, polishing my nails, right? That took me a while. I had to do my own. I was wanting to get a manicure, just didn't get enough time, so did it my own. And then, yeah. So wrap up. I had to go look for white pants, then put some embellishment on it, right, to match her diamond booty. Then I had to go get a white shirt, metallic belts a plus, make my own purple shoes. Oh, got purple socks too that have a trim of purple on them. Then the hair dye, the unicorn, making my own tail, so I had to get ribbon, and my makeup. So it doesn't sound like a lot, but I felt like I spent the whole month looking for every detail, so to me it was a lot. But I enjoyed it. I love Rarity. She is my favorite, My Little Pony. And it was a lot of fun. I did the whole thing with my friends. It was a lot of fun. Everyone was a different character. I made a poster. It was fabulous, and friendship is magic. But yeah, I love being Rarity. That was my video snap up of what it was like to be Rarity and how to become her, at least in my version. And yeah, and I will say, wearing white clothes is not forgiving. And I know I need to lose weight next year, man, next year. But maybe wear looser clothes. And then it started to rain later today, so maybe wearing white's not my best friend today. Also, if anyone knows me, I always get dirty while eating. You should have seen me today. I had a coat plus napkins because wearing white and being the white pony, no, not my best friend. But anyway, I made it work. It was a lot of fun. Happy Halloween. Bye.